Hi. How often do you find people saying that certain traits or health conditions, mostly diseases, have been passed on to them from generations to generations and it has been there in the family? Their father or the ancestors, grandparents, somebody in the family had it already, and almost every generation can see it. Now, who is going to change this and break the pattern? Who is going to change the sequence of your genes? You might say genetic engineering, and the solution is gene therapy as well, where the sequence of the DNA is modified or broken for better traits to be transferred. In case of diabetes type 1 and such health conditions where such diseases are seen in the generations to generations being passed on by hereditary characters, we need to find out what influences the genes. There is a complete set of patterns that a particular individual follows, which includes his habits, the physical diet, the routine, sleeping pattern, thinking pattern, what is being eaten on an everyday basis, whether there is a exercise routine or not, the metabolism which is influenced by all these things, and of course the spiritual well-being, that is the psychology of the particular person, the karma of that person, what he has been doing in the past lives, and what can be seen in generations. Friends, it is very important for all of us to follow a holistic pattern of healthy living. If you are only focusing on the symptoms of the disease and trying to treat it with some particular medicines which are restricted only to treat the symptoms and not the causes, this is not going to help you at all. And if you are not taking any action, you are also spoiling your karma. So take action now. First of all, get the knowledge, gain the knowledge, get properly trained by a professional coach. For more information and issues concerning with diabetes and the holistic solutions, you can join my WhatsApp group called Diabetes Warriors, because I'm also going to have a webinar very soon clarifying all your doubts on diabetes. Once you know the reasons and the causes and how it affects you, it will be easier for you to understand and change it at your own end. So be the coach of your own life, become diabetes warrior. The link is given in the description. Thank you.